Okay, hey chicas, hi. Back again with another video. To all my new subscribers, hello. Kick off your shoes and enjoy yourself, okay? Don't be afraid to leave comments or whatever. I don't bite. But to my seasoned subscribers, you already know what it is. I'm peeking my head in because I've been super busy, but I've also been working on some things, and that's why I've been super busy. And I was getting some lip colorants, ready, doing my research and everything to have them available for you guys, which I've already started, using them, but I wanted to, make sure everything was straight and everything before I start offering them to you guys for purchase or to show you how to make your own. So we're going to be doing um, liquid lip pigment, liquid lip pigments, which a lot of you guys probably started off getting your lip pigments from TKB, but they've been out of stock on everything. I don't know what's going on, and jacking their prices up for no apparent reason. Well, you know the reason. They always, that's just how some companies do or whatever. But today we're going to be making like a fuchsia purple lip liquid lip. Why is it so hard for me to say that? Liquid lip pigment with like a purplish oxide. And you don't want to just grab any old pigment color or whatever to mix in with your oil, because sometimes it just doesn't go together. But we're going to be using castor oil along with the oxide to make the color. So I'm going to get my gloves and everything and turn the camera down, try to make it as easy as possible for you to see everything that I'm doing with my hands. So 1 minute. Okay guys, I have on my gloves, and you don't need a mixer, but you can have a mixer. You can use a spoon, but I like to make sure that all the little oh shoot why did I do that, all the little chunks or whatever are going out of the powder that I use. This is a mixer that most bartenders use. Like, you can use to mix drinks and everything, but they have the detachable attachments. This is some Versagel that I have, so I can show y'all what color it looks like. And before I splashed all over my bottle, but this is the 20 milliliter bottles that I use. This is for me to actually mix with. My little spoon is in here, and we're using castor oil. The way I got this camera set up, yeah. But I'm just gonna go ahead and pour the castor oil in here, and I'm making enough to put in that bottle, so it's not gonna be a lot. And I'm gonna go ahead and put my oxide color. You can get oxide coloring from TKB. A lot of other places sell it too, but a lot of colors are out of stock right now because everybody is making lip gloss. But of course, this one right here, this color would be, I would sell this color for more than the other basic colors, because this color right here is hard to get and it's more expensive than the basic colors. Oh, I forgot to show y'all the colors that I've already done. This is canary yellow. Let me line them up and get them out my way. This is princess pink. It has like a shimmer. That's why I said princess. This is cotton white. This is the color that we're making. I haven't given a name yet. This is rustic red. This is not a true red. It's red, but it has like a rust color in it. I haven't been able to find a pure red oxide color. This is ocean blue. You just don't want to grab any old pigment and everything to throw it in there, because I don't know how that'll work. Maybe you can, maybe you can't. I don't know, but I'm not going to chance my client's lips to me trying to test out something. And this is deep brown, and everyone knows, well, everyone should know that you can add white to your browns to give it the lighter shade that you want. But those are the colors that are already ready, and we're making this one right here, right now. So I'm gonna go ahead and mix this up right after I tell you about these. These, I just restocked these. If you follow me on Instagram, you already know I just posted them, the restock. These are lip gloss sweeteners. If you want your lip gloss to taste just like they smell, you use, this is a natural sweetener. It's vegan. That it requires a couple of drops because it is so sweet. It's nothing compared to natural the sugar that is man-made that you make Kool-Aid with. It's not that. It's a natural sweet liquid sweetener, and they're available on site. So I'm going to go ahead and mix this. I like to go ahead and get the powder in the oil, because if I put the mixer in there, it might make it fly all over the place, and I'm not feeling it right now. Like you guys know, well, I'm gonna stop saying you guys know, because obviously you're looking for videos to find information. Some of you may not know, but when you're searching around for colors and oxide colors and pigments and everything like that, some are higher than the other because I guess they charge high, like the demand. Like if you're looking for a hot pink, it's going to be more than a basic red or a yellow, which nobody really uses. But the colors that everybody want and are using a lot of, they are off the charts and they are ridiculously priced. I try to keep my prices, low. But you put that to the side, then I'm going to use my mixer. And if you're using a bigger bowl, like making a bigger batch, of course you would mix it for longer than you would. Yeah, I want to make sure I get to the bottom, make sure there's no, all the chunks are gone, if any. And I've noticed, okay, like with the first color pigments that you probably can't hear me, stop. The first color pigments that I bought with TKB, like when you don't use them for a couple of days or whatever, they do separate, so don't worry about if it separates, because okay, TKB's pigment does the same exact thing. It doesn't change the color of the pigment when you use it. Just shake it up before you use it. Okay. And I prefer liquid over powder colors because it's much easier to grab when you're making lip glosses, and it doesn't get all over the place. Usually, most people use a funnel. I don't need a funnel because I'm pretty steady with my hands. So I'm just going to pour it in there. And watch, just because I'm doing it on camera, it even going right up. Boom, it did. But that's the purple color. And like I said before, that's the color that we made. And like I said before, this one will be a little more than the other ones because that color costs more than the other colors. And I'm going to show you how it looks inside the Versagel. Like this is Versagel, the one that I showed y'all in a couple of videos back that I do not use for my customer because it smelled chemically. It looks like Versagel, but it don't smell like Versagel at all, and it's a little runny. It looks like you put oils in it already, but it hasn't, so I guess it's good enough to show waste on, stuff like this. But like you said, it's on here already, so all you're gonna have to do is drop a couple of drops in there, which this is the one that we're using, so I'm just gonna drop some in there. And the more you put, the darker it'll be. And there's your lip gloss color. Change the color of your Versagel. again, these colors will be available on site as soon as I get finished, you know, taking pictures and everything. I'm working on a green now. So far, what's available is yellow, pink, purple, white, red, blue, and brown. And you can change the brown by adding white to it and make it whatever shade that you want. So thank you for watching this video, and stay tuned for more videos. And remember to be you, because only you can do it best. So that's a pretty color.